Over the past 4 centuries, astronomers have made some incredible discoveries in our solar system. Among these discoveries are 2 major planets that were unknown to people long ago: Uranus, which was found in 1781, and Neptune, discovered in 1846. These findings were not easy. They required a lot of effort and careful observation. In the pursuit of understanding our cosmic neighborhood, astronomers also pondered the existence of other planets beyond what we already knew. They imagined planets like Phaeton, thought to be nestled between Mars and Jupiter, or Vulcan, speculated to be even closer to the Sun than Mercury. These hypothetical worlds captured the imagination of many, sparking curiosity and further exploration. Despite their best efforts, astronomers haven't stopped searching. Beyond Neptune's orbit lie dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris, waiting to be explored. Some scientists even speculate about the existence of a mysterious planet 9, whose presence could explain certain anomalies in the outer solar system. However, with the discovery of the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, it appears that our understanding of the major planets in our solar system is complete. But could there be more to our solar system than meets the eye? Is it possible that there's a hidden planet lurking behind the Sun beyond our direct view? This intriguing notion isn't new. It has roots stretching back thousands of years. Known as the counter theory, it proposes the existence of a planet called Anticon situated opposite Earth's orbit, perpetually obscured by the brilliance of the Sun. Considering this idea leads to a cascade of questions. Could there truly be a sizable planet sharing Earth's orbital path, concealed from our sight? How did ancient thinkers conceive of such a concept, and what led them to propose it? Moreover, if this hypothetical planet were to exist, what implications would it have for the dynamics of our solar system? These questions fuel the discussions within the realm of astronomy and inspire further investigation into the mysteries of our cosmic surroundings. As you watch with us here at Spaceverse, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here at Spaceverse, we're passionate about bringing you the latest insights and discoveries from the cosmos. So buckle up and join us on this journey through the stars. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. The concept of an additional planet in our solar system, positioned in an orbit that always keeps it hidden behind the Sun, originates from over 2,400 years ago with the Greek philosopher Philus. Philus introduced the idea of a counter-Earth, which he named Anticon. He believed in a universe governed by harmony and balance, with a central fire around which celestial bodies, including Earth, orbited. Philus proposed that to maintain this cosmic balance, there must be another Earth opposite to ours. He imagined Anticon as this hidden celestial body residing on the opposite side of the central fire. In Philus's model, this hypothetical counter-Earth played a vital role in preserving the symmetry and harmony of the cosmos, acting as a cosmic counterpart to our own planet. Although our knowledge of the solar system has advanced significantly since ancient times, the question persists: could there be an undiscovered planet situated directly behind the Sun? This region of space remains unseen from our perspective on Earth. While the notion of such a hidden planet sparks curiosity and captivates the imagination, the absence of direct observation raises doubts. Despite sending spacecraft into the solar system for decades, equipped to observe the Sun from various angles, no such planet has been detected. Some speculate that perhaps we have overlooked it. However, the presence of a counter-Earth would exert a gravitational influence on surrounding celestial bodies, including Earth, other planets, and satellites. This influence would likely be detectable by researchers, providing indirect evidence of a hidden planet. Thus far, though, no compelling evidence has emerged to support the existence of a planet concealed behind the Sun. In space, big things like planets pull on each other because of gravity. Even if we can't see these big things directly, we can tell they're there by how they affect nearby planets. Think about Mercury and Venus, the planets closest to the Sun. If there was a really big thing on the other side of the Sun, it would tug on them. This would mess up their usual paths around the Sun. It's like when you're playing catch and someone pulls the ball off course. Scientists noticed something similar with Uranus, one of the outer planets. It wasn't following its expected path exactly. By studying this, they realized there must be another planet out there, which we now know as Neptune. So, even if we can see something in space, we can still find it by how it moves other things around. So maybe the more intriguing question isn't whether a hidden Earth exists, but if it could exist at all. From a theoretical perspective, yes, it's possible. Such a planet could be hiding on the far side of the Sun from our view. However, considering all the other things orbiting the Sun, it wouldn't stay hidden for long. Our solar system isn't just Earth and the Sun. There are many other celestial objects moving around in a dynamic way. Imagine if a planet like Anticon suddenly showed up behind the Sun. It wouldn't stay hidden for too long. The gravitational pull from other planets would disturb its orbit, causing it to interact with Earth. Eventually, Anticon and Earth would come close to each other, maybe even colliding. So a hidden Earth would affect the movements of nearby objects, which could help us find it. But it works both ways. Those nearby objects would also affect the hidden Earth. For instance, Venus gets very close to Earth every 584 days. So logically, it would also get close to a hidden Earth. Venus is about 80% the size of Earth, so after a few close passes, its gravity would move the hidden planet into a spot where we could see it directly. And as this happens, Mercury, Mars, and even Jupiter would also play a part in revealing the hidden planet's location. However, there are specific locations within the orbit of our planet, known as Lagrange points, where stability is assured. One of these points is situated on the far side of the Sun, where this hypothetical planet was suggested to exist. Lagrange points represent regions in our solar system where the gravitational forces between two celestial bodies, coupled with the motion of their orbits, result in a balanced state. These points in space are characterized by gravitational stability, meaning objects placed there tend to remain in position naturally or can be maintained with minimal energy due to the equilibrium of forces. NASA has utilized Lagrange points extensively, notably with the James Webb Space Telescope, which maintains its orbit around the Sun at Earth's Lagrange point number 2. This strategic positioning allows the telescope to synchronize its movement with Earth's orbit around the Sun while consuming minimal fuel. Additionally, there exist naturally occurring objects within these Lagrange points, known as Earth Trojans. To date, only 2 Earth Trojans have been identified, both located within Lagrange point 4. Now, what about Lagrange point 3, positioned on the far side of the Sun from Earth? While Lagrange points 4 and 5 are recognized for their stability, Lagrange points 1, 2, and 3 are not as secure. Objects placed at these points would eventually drift away over time due to the gravitational influence exerted by other planets. Picture it like a ball perched on a hill. Even a slight nudge would set it in motion. Therefore, we can confidently assert that there is no undiscovered planet hiding on the opposite side of the Sun. While it's an intriguing concept, it belongs more to the realms of science fiction. Nonetheless, the concept of a counter-Earth, conceived thousands of years ago, introduced compelling ideas that undoubtedly influenced subsequent thinkers, laying the groundwork for discussions on the nature of the universe. And that's it. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If so, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for more exciting content. If you got any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, keep looking up at the stars. There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.